Hello, my name is Ivan Yu. I'm from section 1, group 3. I'm going to explain a few things about MIT App Inventor on this to-do list, on some of the block coding, and how some of it works. And so this should be the things that you see when you open up the to-do list, which is the task, time, date, and then submit. And there's below here is the list view, and that's beside the point. Here is the block coding, and so the first is initialize global task to create an empty list. And so when you open up the app, you will create an empty list here for you to insert anything that you want. And so when the screen is initiated, this should be the first, and there's the global task calls this tree tinydb, which is the storage, and they get the value from each of the individual storage. And if there was any prior data, it will create an empty list. And here is this from the list, and you set the list view element, and if there is a data, it will take it from there and put it in the list view. However, if there's no any prior data, it will be empty. And so the button here is when you type anything into the task, and it will store it in the task. It will store it in the first tinydb, which is db1 task, and your value is stored into global task, and right in the global task is tagged as this name. And so another one is text box 2, which is the time, and then a text box 3, which is the date. And so meaning that the time is stored in tinydb2 and the date is stored in tinydb3 after you click the button, which is submit, after you write anything that you want, and the date and the time and the date. And here is the list view after picking it. Means that in the app, when you click this list view, it will remove the list from the global task. And so yes, and that's pretty much it. It's just to you can just delete the task that you have written before. After you finish it, you can delete it by clicking it. That's pretty much the thing. And next, I'm going to show you how the app usage through the tiny MIT App Inventor app. Let's see, this is the app, and I'm going to type assignment, and I'm going to pick time. Let's see, 2:45 p.m. Let's see, and the date 30 or 25 May 2025. Let's say I click submit, and then the assignment and the time, the date is good. And then I close the project. Wait for the scan QR. I'll scan it again. Wait for it to load, and after loading, yes, and so the time is still there. The assignment, the time, the date is still there. And so the time is still there, and the app, after even closing the app, everything still remains, because from here when it initialize, because the things, the time, the date, and the assignment, the task is already stored in the tinydb. And so when we open it again, if we don't delete it first, we will open it again, you can still get the task, the date, and the time. It still remains there. So it means that the things that we wrote will not disappear even after we close the app or the program. And that's it. Thank you.